Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So I got an update on the 2020 Mercedes Gla250 side job at the house. So this one is a little different, change of pace here. So here it is. It got hit in the rear low, and so I had to take the bumper off. And so here's the bumper, and I took it off because I had to replace this chrome valance and the lower texture piece of the bumper. So this is actually the original painted bumper, and here's the old chrome valance and lower texture. So it was hit here. See how it's cracked and all bent right there. So basically just a new parts swap. It actually needs a reinforcement bar, but I don't have that, and we didn't order that. So the customer got a used tail light because this one got busted, which is over there on my cart in the bag. So I mean, I bent the rebar up a little bit, so the bumper should fit right. So I got the jack and the block of wood down and slide hammer torch. So yeah, that's what we're doing. It's gonna be a lease turn in. I actually did some work on this car about 8 months ago. Painted these two doors. Had a dent right there by the body line on the front door towards the back, and repaired that and painted both doors, blended. So this customer just wants it decent enough to turn it in for the lease, so they don't bang them too hard for, you know, stuff, and they're gonna get something else. So that's what we're doing. Make sure to like and subscribe.